Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about Euro-Yen pair. And okay, so let's just get started, then I'll tell you along the way what it is. This is the Euro-Yen monthly chart, right? And obviously I've been watching, I have this chart made years ago and then watching it, right? So it was going to the upside after, it's like wave one, two, or A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. These are the highs right now. It is eyed on and going for that. This is the next number would be 68.93 and then maybe 69.96. And after that, I have very, very good chance that it's going to drop. It's been going on for like several years now, since 2000 actually, right? But I want to show you what is happening right in this here, right? And then how you can trade this pair. Now, this is the monthly chart. This is the weekly chart I made, and this is how it is, right? Going toward these targets. This chart I made on the 13th April, and I gave to my subscriber that it must stay below 64.30. 62.42 is the key number. If we stay below, then we drop. If Bank of Japan will intervene, but they didn't, right? So we went above 64.30, and then after that, boom, it's gone. Another chart that to consider this long side is the yen index chart. This is also I made on 13 April, saying that if it is going to go above 70.75, you see that 70.75, then what will happen? All yen pair will go to the upside. And there was a very good chance that it will go to the upside, right? So euro yen, this is the chart, and there's another chart I made, but I forgot where it is now. But anyway, so it was written there that if yen index goes up, all yen pair gonna go. All yen pair gonna go up. But anyway, that's what happens usually, right? So this is how it is. Now let me show you the smaller time frame, what really happens and how I traded it. Let's take a look at the euro yen 4-hour chart to see what is happening right here. Okay, this is my 4-hour chart, right? And my 4-hour chart basically is equal to my 40-minute chart, the 40-minute Renko chart that I use, which is this, right? So the Renko chart is a little bit spread more, right? But 4-hour chart is more compact. So this is how I have it. Elliott will count all of that. Now you can see that this is black count 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue count completes wave 3. Then ABC correction for wave 4 sideways. It's called flat correction, and then comes wave 5, and these are the highs on the monthly chart. You see that? These are 68.93 and 69.96. So these are the highs that are, right here. See this channel, right? Beautiful channel here, and then channel and this 68.93 will meet somewhere here, right? So this is where probably it's going right now. Now this week for April 19, it started right here. This week to the downside. You see that in the price, the time here 480. This is 419. So from here on, what really happened? So obviously the trend is up and everything, and then it's this thing is retraced. Wave 4 is finished. Wave 1, wave 2. Then obviously it's gonna go for higher high, making a higher high. And I have the diagram that I follow. I made all these diagrams about harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, and all of that. So this was one of my diagrams that this is what happened usually. Wave 1, 2, and it's 5 subwaves, then wave 3 with 5 subwaves, then wave 4, ABC correction, then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what happens, and this is what I teach in my one-on-one course as well, right? These diagrams and how they, you calculate. All of these are, their calculation. This one, this one, this one. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? And right now, if you look at it, this thing is going exactly the same way, right? By the book, right? So it's very hard. Very easy to trade, understand and trade. So it's ABC 4 finishing. That's wave 1, 2. And then wave 3. Now, wave 3 usually is 1.618 of wave 1, which I think already reached. But the thing is that the pressure is too much to the upside. So it's just keep going to the upside now, right? So now you see this 161 is right there. So it's just above that 178. So wave 3, if this wave 3 is finished here, then it may dip for wave 4. and then go up for wave 5 and finish it somewhere there at 69.93 high, maybe here somewhere. Or if we come down here for wave 4, then we can go up for wave 5, yes. Or maybe it was this wave 5 is just finished, but I don't think so. It's gonna go up even higher to these one of these numbers, definitely. So yeah, this is what happened, right? Now from starting from this week only, 419. So let's see how many entries my EA gave it to me, the expert advisor bot that I have, and how many trades it gave me from 20-minute chart and 7-minute chart. So let's go take a look and by one. So 419, 19 started here, right? Euro yen, this from 20-minute entry here for 65, right? This buy order is right there. And 419, you see this 419? That's what it is, right? So it was down here and then went up, entry and gone. This is on for a second entry. That was the first one. This is the second one. This is this little arrow showing that the EA opened the trade from 7-minute chart, right? Here's buy orders right there, 50 pip. 2. Now, this is a third trade, euro yen. I'm just showing euro yen, nothing else, based on that 4-hour chart, right? So this was the first one. This is the second one here from 20-minute chart, by the way. That was the other one was 7-minute chart. So this is for 70. Then this one, the third entry, euro yen, same 20-minute chart, right? You just saw this one and this one, then it dipped, and then again this one taken by the EA and 55. Then this one, fourth one, right? This one you already saw all of these, and then this is again for 70 pip, but I didn't close this one because I saw that I felt that it's going up much higher. So I held this one, and then I think that next chart is not. This is next chart is this that the same entry, but from the 7-minute chart as well, right? And then that chart end up all the way here for 125, right? And then this is on the 25th. Now, what happened 26 and 27? Today, 26, we had 4 red news from Bank of Japan, right? From Japan. About Bank of Japan and talking about different things, including the press conference. And as a result, what happened? Boom, this entry, 130 pip all the way to the upside on the 26th. And again, after this dip, then it started to go up and then 60 pip more here. So see, all of these trades were taken by the EA and with the systematic analysis of my monthly chart, weekly chart, and 4-hour chart. Elliott wave count. Harmonic pattern, yeah, this is where then it made the harmonic pattern, but along the way, then on 40-minute chart we can see my like harmonic patterns more clearly. But here I'm just showing you Elliott wave count, and they are very, very clear and very precise according to the book, exact as the perfect calculation. And 5 waves here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wave 5 extended. Then again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 extended. This is ABC correction for wave A, then ABCB, ABCC, perfect by the book, right? And not only every pair is going to be doing that, but once like all you need is maybe 1 or 2 pair that is doing this, and then you can constantly hitting those pairs on the long side. Like this is a long trend, right? So what we do is that we wait for the retracement, and then as soon as it start to go to the upside, like you can go long from here to here. You know how many pips you're talking about from here to here? Almost 500 pips, right? And from here to here, 430. Now from here to here, from the bottom to where we are now is 530. But this week we started from here. You can see here from here is 400 pips already. So this is how it is. So out of these, 400 pips, you can easily squeeze, so 200, 250 pip. If you find the early entry, you could have entry here, you could have entry here, you could have entry here. 3 trades, maybe like 100 pip each, that for 300 pip out of the way. Same here. See this wave 1, 2, that happens everywhere. 1, 2, this is 1, 2, you get in here. 1, 2, you get in here. 1, 2, you get in here. This is how it is. And this diagram is telling you, showing you the way that this is exactly what's going to happen. Now wave 5 started 1, 2, and we are at wave 3. I'm expecting wave 4 and wave 5. And today I've already, done too many trades. So what the hell with it? I have, pound Aussie, sorry, pound yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, they all, USD yen, they all went up. They all get, open the trade. EA opened the trade everywhere. So I have to manage all of them, right? But in this video, I'm just showing you only euro yen. Imagine that just one pair, and you constantly, just work with that. Obviously, not like I said, not all the pairs going to be doing that. But the one that trending, and you can always find maybe one or two very good trending setup for the whole week, right? Maybe more than that. If you include indices and gold and oil, you will find three, four, five pair that are doing, going like trending up or down, right? Nicely within the channel, and then you can just simply wait for the retracement and then start taking the trades every day. My style is every day, in and out, hit and run, hit and run. Same day, same day order, same day delivery. Simple as that. Okay, so that's how it is. I close the same day. Very few times, I leave that open, for the next day. Maximum 2 days. That's it. So this is how it is. Just wanted to share with you guys that this is what the euro yen is doing. Be careful about this. And we are approaching. We are not there yet, but we are approaching. Maybe I don't think that we're going to be finishing this today. I think everybody's exhausted. The pair is exhausted. Went a big time here, right, today. And especially today, we did something in a 40-minute chart. You can see that right here. Yeah, so they went up, then came down, and then went up. This is after the news, I think, the press conference. And what I think now is that we have 1, 2, this 3. This is A, B, and maybe it will come down for C. It's going to be a flat correction like this, A, B, C, right here. And then we have 5. Next week, we're going to have this one. So we're going to have fun next week. And after that, it will probably drop. Right. They might have to come in. They might have to come in, definitely. I'm talking about the Bank of Japan. They might have to intervene. They're playing some, taking some bold action or whatever, being macho man, but they have to do something about this. But they're scared and they have to do it, right? They don't want to do it, but they have to do it. So anyway, this is how it is, and I'm gonna close this now, and we're gonna be prepared for the next week, right? And if you want to join me in my group, then you can go on this website here, creativetrading.com. Join. I'm gonna have a webinar on Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern time, and then I'll show new charts, new trades, possibilities, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, this, that, blah, 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 to my subscribers, and we will get ready for next week, Monday. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.